Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's JC Gaming, and today I'm going to be trying to do sound effects by emoji. Yeah. Hope this all goes well because I have absolutely no experience from this. Alright, first we're going to do the zipper emoji. Let's go. I mean, that was actually not that bad. Rated 1 through 10, guys. Next, we're going to try this video game character. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, that's actually pretty good. And last we got the hardest one, the water drop sound effect. Yo, did you hear that? Oh my gosh. I mean, there's a first time for everything. Let me know about my sound effects in the comments. Subscribe.